Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Kanban boards in Jira and how to utilize them effectively to manage your projects like a pro. A Kanban board is a visual tool that helps teams organize workflow and streamline processes. It's based on the Kanban methodology, which focuses on visualizing work, limiting the amount of work in progress, and managing the flow of tasks to maximize efficiency. Kanban boards usually consist of columns that represent different stages of a project and cards that move through these columns as tasks progress. They are widely used because of their simplicity and ability to provide a clear, real-time overview of all work in progress. To access a Kanban board in Jira, first look for the Board View tab at the top of your screen. If you don't see it, click the plus icon at the end of the View tabs to add the Kanban board to your project navigation. Once you're in Board View, you'll see columns representing stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Hover over any column to create a new card, then enter a title that briefly describes the task. Click on the card to add details such as assignees, due dates, labels, and statuses. Managing tasks is simple. Drag and drop cards between columns to reflect their current status. You can also create automations in Jira that move cards automatically based on criteria like due dates or completion. This helps save time and ensures your workflow stays organized. By using Kanban boards in Jira, you can visualize your work, track progress, improve team collaboration, and prevent bottlenecks. Integrating these boards into your project management process will enhance productivity and efficiency across your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take your project management skills to the next level.